Imagine a world where a single, thoughtful gesture could ripple through the lives of many, spreading waves of warmth, joy, and compassion wherever it touches. Kindness is not just an action. It's the golden thread that intricately binds humanity together. It connects strangers, mends wounds, and nurtures hope. Through the smallest acts of genuine care, we have the power to not only uplift our own spirits, but also transform the lives of those around us. Today, let's journey into the heart of human goodness as we explore 7 simple yet deeply impactful acts of kindness, each one capable of illuminating even the darkest corners of someone's day. These are the practices that can shift moods, open hearts, and bring lasting change to the world around us. Act number 1. Smile at a stranger. The Buddha once shared a timeless truth. Greater than. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. A smile, seemingly so simple, carries within it an extraordinary power. When you smile at someone, especially a stranger, you're doing far more than curling the edges of your mouth. You're acknowledging their presence, honoring their humanity, and offering a fleeting yet meaningful connection. That smile, small as it might appear, can serve as a beacon of hope to someone battling invisible struggles. It costs nothing, but might be worth everything to the person receiving it. In a fast-paced, often disconnected world, your smile can be a silent, yet resonant message. You are seen, you matter. Act number 2. Offer a kind word. In a quiet village long ago, a man insulted a monk with harsh, bitter words. The monk, however, responded gently. Greater than. If someone offers you a gift and you choose not to accept it, to whom does the gift belong? The man, stunned by the wisdom of this reply, fell silent, realizing that negativity, when unaccepted, stays with the one who offers it. Kindness in speech is a powerful force. A sincere compliment, a gentle word of encouragement, or even a soft expression of empathy can lift a heavy heart and heal emotional wounds. These words may take only seconds to say, but they linger in someone's heart far longer than we realize, echoing during moments of doubt, sadness, or solitude. A kind word, like a key, can unlock someone's sense of worth. Act number 3. Practice patience. The Buddha wisely observed, "To conquer oneself is a greater task than to conquer others." Patience isn't passive. It's an active, conscious choice, an expression of self-mastery and compassion. Whether you're standing in a long line, dealing with someone who's irritable, or navigating through life's daily annoyances, patience invites you to slow down, breathe, and choose peace over frustration. In those moments where anger threatens to rise, patience diffuses tension and softens the environment. It soothes your own mind and prevents the spread of negativity to others. Practicing patience is, in itself, an act of kindness, not just for others, but also for the peace of your own soul. Act number 4. Lend a helping hand. A disciple once asked the Buddha, "Master, what is the essence of living a good and meaningful life?" The Buddha responded with a story. A traveler found a wounded bird lying helpless by the road. Rather than passing by, he gently picked it up, nursed it back to health, and released it once it could fly again. Acts of service, no matter how ordinary, carry profound meaning. Helping someone carry their groceries, holding the door for another, or guiding someone who's lost. These gestures may seem small, but they plant seeds of humanity that can grow into trust, hope, and community. Offering help reaffirms that we are not alone in this world. It reminds us that goodness still exists and that we can be the reason someone else believes in it. Act number 5. Listen deeply. In today's noisy world, true listening is rare and sacred. The Buddha once said, "Greater than, better than, 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. When you give someone your full, undivided attention, you offer them a profound gift, the gift of being heard, of being understood. Deep listening goes beyond simply hearing words. It means tuning in to the emotion, the silence, the pauses in between. In that sacred space of listening, people feel safe. They feel like they matter. You may not solve their problems, but you will have lightened their emotional load. It is through listening that relationships are built, trust is strengthened, and healing begins. Sometimes, people don't need advice. They just need to be heard. Act number 6. Express gratitude. Gratitude changes the lens through which we view the world. When you thank someone, a friend, a stranger, or even life itself, you embrace abundance. You affirm the presence of good, even in hardship. Gratitude doesn't just uplift others, it transforms you. It turns what we have into enough, and reminds us that life is not made meaningful by grand events, but by quiet, thankful moments. Act number 7. Show compassion to yourself. One of the most overlooked but deeply necessary acts of kindness is the one we extend inward. The Buddha taught, "Greater than you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection." We are often our own harshest critics. We berate ourselves for failures, magnify our flaws, and downplay our worth. Yet true kindness must begin within. When you forgive yourself, acknowledge your efforts, and allow space for rest and healing, you lay the foundation for every other kindness to follow. Self-compassion is not indulgence. It is essential. It nourishes the spirit, steadies the heart, and gives you the capacity to show up fully for others. When you treat yourself gently, that energy radiates outward, making you more patient, more loving, more present. Final reflections: kindness is not limited by time, wealth, or status. It is not confined to grand gestures. It lives in our daily choices, in the way we speak, act, and even think. Every smile, every word of encouragement, every act of patience or service. Each one is like a drop in the ocean. Alone, it may seem small, but together, they create tides of transformation. So as you step into your day, carry these 7 acts with you. Practice them not just once, but over and over, until they become part of who you are. And if this message touched your heart, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Help us continue this journey of spreading light, love, and compassion, one gentle act of kindness at a time. Thank you for watching. May your days be filled with peace, joy, and endless kindness.